Hello and welcome back to ACarAndaQuestion. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up.
Everybody, welcome back to ACarAndaQuestion. I'm not the host, but I'm going to act like I am right now. I'm John Bucci from Schrock Store, Wayne's Auto Repair Schrock Store. Sorry guys, first time introducing anybody.
Well, you're doing a fine job. And I'm Dustin Keller.
This is Dustin who lies to me right now.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we're here today. John's going to ask us a question, and we're going to attempt to answer it.
We're going to try. I went to public school, so you got to give me a minute. What questions are we doing?
Number 14, sir.
Number 14. How often should I service my hybrid vehicle compared to a gas-powered vehicle?
That is a good question.
Very good question.
So I ask people all the time, have you read your owner's manual? I preach and preach to educate yourself and attempt to learn something on a daily basis. And if you buy a vehicle and it comes with an owner's manual, that means it's there for a reason, and it'll tell you what is recommended by the OEM, which is the original manufacturer. And if it's every 10,000 or 6,000 miles, it's going to be very dependent on the type of oil that is in your car, and so on and so forth.
And even if you don't have an owner's manual, you can Google what you need. What's due for your 30K? What's due for your 60K? What's due at 45? What fluids get exchanged?
Or you can just pick up the phone and call John.
Or any of the
Or
Automotive.
890-0449. We'll start.
Say it again. Say it again.
Start with Schrock Road. Make Schrock Road your first call. 614-890-0449.
Where's that located?
2375 Schrock Road.
Awesome.
It's the cool location.
It's the cool location, or any of Alpha Automotive's 9, soon to be 10 locations here centrally located in Central Ohio.
Perfect. Jay, what do you think?
I think, again, I don't have a hybrid vehicle unless you count my Ram, which is technically a hybrid, but we won't go down that rabbit hole. So I would say I have to concur with Dr. Keller. Consult your owner's manual. If you don't know where that's at, it's usually in your glove compartment. If you don't get one the time you buy your vehicle, make sure you ask for one. But consult your owner's manual, call your shop. We're happy to take care of you. We're happy to walk you through any questions you have about your maintenance.
And no question is a dumb question.
Thanks for joining us. This is ACarAndaQuestion.